Hello students, let's start chapter 1 of class 11th, sets. Let's first of all understand what is the dictionary meaning of set. So, dictionary meaning of set is collection or group. In our everyday life, we use the word set many times like set of books, set of bangles, pack of cards, etc. But let us understand mathematically what is set. So, mathematically it is defined as collection of well-defined objects. Now, you must be thinking that what is the meaning of well-defined objects? Let's understand it. That means collection should not vary from person to person. That means every person must have same opinion about the collection. Let's take an example to make it more clear. For example, if I have asked students to write the collection of 4 best Indian cricketers, let's see what Rohit and Sahil has written. According to Rohit, 4 best Indian cricketers are Sachin Tendulkar, Dhoni, Yuvraj and Rohit Sharma. But according to Sahil, 4 best Indian cricketers are Kapil Dev, Sunil Gavaskar, Sachin Tendulkar, Sourav Ganguly. Now see, Rohit and Sahil has different opinion about this collection. So this collection vary from person to person. So this collection is not a set. Let's take one more example. Suppose I have asked students to write the collection of odd numbers less than 10. Let's see what Rohit has written. Rohit has written 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Sahil has written 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. In fact, everybody in the class has written 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So everybody has same opinion about this collection. This collection does not vary from person to person. So it is a well-defined collection. So this collection is a set. Next is objects of a set are called elements or members of a set. That means objects जो भी set के अंदर included होंगे हम उनको क्या बोलेंगे, elements बोलेंगे या members बोलेंगे. For example, here in this set, 1 is an element of this set, 3 is an element of this set, 5, 7, 9, these are all the elements of this set. Clear? Now, sets are usually denoted by capital letters. Say A, B, C, X, Y, Z. That means suppose I want to write down one set, I can write it as X is equal to 1, 2. Clear? Or A is equal to 3, 5. Clear? Okay. Now elements of set are represented by small letter. If I want to represent element of a set, I will write it in small letters as A, B, C, X, Y, Z. Clear? Next is, if A is an element of set, then we say that A belongs to A and we write it as A belongs to A. Now this symbol epsilon means belongs to. हम इस सिंबल को कैसे रीड करते हैं? Belongs to. हम इस पूरे को रीड करेंगे A belongs to A. For example, we have a set A is equal to 5, 6. So in this set, 5 is an element of A. So how can I write this as 5 belongs to A. 6 is also an element of A. So I can write it as 6 belongs to A. Clear? Now, if A is not an element of set A, then we say that A does not belongs to A. And we write it as A does not belongs to A. Clear? Let's take an example. If set B is equal to 7, 9. Here 2 is not an element of set B, so I can say that 2 does not belongs to B, and I can write it as 2 does not belongs to B. And 5 is also not an element of set B, so I can say that 5 does not belongs to B, and I can write it as 5 does not belongs to B. Clear? Now next is representation of set. So there are two methods of representing a set. Number 1 is set builder form. Number 2 is roster or tabular form. So let's understand what is roster form. In this form, all the elements of set are listed. The elements are separated by commas and are enclosed within the braces. What does that means? In this form of a set, what will we do? We will separate the elements by commas and enclose these elements within the braces. Let's take an example. For example, set of all even positive integers less than 7. So all of you know that even positive integers less than 7 are 2, 4, 6. So how can we write it in the roster form as 2, 4, 6? So if you notice that in the roster form, what we have done, we have separated all the elements by commas and enclose all these elements within the braces. So this form is called as roster form. Clear? Okay, now let's take one more example. Set of natural numbers which divides 42. We have to write down this set in the roster form. So how can we write it as? We can write it as 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 14, 21, 42. All these elements divide 42. So these are the elements of this set. हमने क्या किया, इन सभी एलिमेंट्स को सेपरेट आउट कर दिया कॉमास के साथ और इनको एनक्लोज कर दिया ब्रैकेट्स में. सो दिस विल बिकम योर रोस्टर फॉर्म. नाउ लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज सेट बिल्डर फॉर्म. इन दिस फॉर्म राइट वन और मोर वेरिएबल्स से x, y रिप्रेजेंटिंग एन आर्बिट्रेरी मेंबर ऑफ द सेट. तो हम क्या करते हैं इस फॉर्म में, हम कोई भी एक या दो वेरिएबल्स ले लेते हैं और उन वेरिएबल्स को हम नाम दे देते हैं x या y, और ये जो वेरिएबल्स हैं ये क्या करते हैं, ये रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं मेंबर्स ऑफ सेट को. क्लियर? आफ्टर दिस वी विल राइट डाउन अ स्टेटमेंट और प्रॉपर्टी, और जो भी हम स्टेटमेंट या प्रॉपर्टी लिखेंगे दैट मस्ट बी सेटिस्फाइड बाय ईच मेंबर ऑफ द सेट. और वो जो स्टेटमेंट हम लिखेंगे आफ्टर राइटिंग अ वेरिएबल, वेरिएबल लिखने के बाद जो हम स्टेटमेंट लिखेंगे वो स्टेटमेंट जो है वो सेट के सभी मेंबर्स सेटिस्फाई करने चाहिए. लेट्स टेक एन एग्जांपल. फॉर एग्जांपल, सेट ऑफ वॉवल्स इन द इंग्लिश अल्फाबेट. If I want to write this set in the set builder form, how will I write? I'll write it as, दो ब्रैकेट्स डालेंगे. नंबर 1 हम एक वेरिएबल लिखेंगे. लेट्स से हमने वेरिएबल ले लिया x विच इज रिप्रेजेंटिंग द आर्बिट्रेरी मेंबर ऑफ द सेट. आफ्टर दैट वी विल राइट डाउन 2 dots. These 2 dots are such that after this we will write down the property or statement. This property or statement must be satisfied by each member of the set. That means इस सेट में हम वही इंग्लिश अल्फ़ाबेट लिखेंगे जो वॉवल्स होंगे. तो आप इस सेट में क्या कौन से एलिमेंट्स लिखोगे? A, E, I, O, U. इसके अलावा आप कुछ नहीं लिख सकते. So this property is satisfied by all the members of this set. Clear? Okay, let's take one more example. Set of all natural numbers lies between 3 and 9. आपको इसको रोस्टर फॉर्म में नहीं लिखना है. रोस्टर फॉर्म में आपको पता है 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. कॉमास से सेपरेट आउट करोगे, ब्रैकेट्स डाल दोगे, दैट विल बिकम योर रोस्टर फॉर्म. बट यहाँ पर आपको रोस्टर फॉर्म में नहीं लिखना है, आपको लिखना है इसको सेट बिल्डर फॉर्म में. तो सेट बिल्डर फॉर्म में कैसे लिखेंगे? हम एक वेरिएबल ले लेंगे x. आफ्टर दैट वी विल राइट डाउन 2 डॉट्स, दैट डॉट्स मीन्स सच दैट. उसके बाद हम एक प्रॉपर्टी लिखेंगे दैट इज सेटिस्फाइड बाय ईच मेंबर्स ऑफ द सेट. और वो प्रॉपर्टी कैसे लिखी आपने, आपको दिया था कि नेचुरल नंबर्स होने चाहिए, तो आपने लिख दिया x इज ए नेचुरल नंबर. और ये भी लिखा था लाइज बिटवीन 3 and 9, तो आपने लिख दिया 3 लेस देन x लेस देन 9. आपने इसको इंटरवल्स में लिख दिया 3 लेस देन x लेस देन 9. सो व्हाट डज दैट मीन्स, 3 और 9 के बीच में जो भी नंबर्स आएंगे वो आपको लिखने हैं. ठीक है. सो दिस इज द सेट बिल्डर फॉर्म ऑफ दिस सेट. I hope the introduction of set is clear to you and you have thoroughly understood the introduction of set. In the next video, we will discuss exercise 1.1 of chapter 1. If you like my video, please press like and subscribe button for notification of my coming videos. Thank you.